Greetings and welcome to this video. This is the second video of our series on creating a website using WordPress. And in the first session, we looked at how to log in, how to install a theme, and how to customize the theme. So in this session, we are purely going to look at how to create pages, how to do menus or customize menus, and also do posts. Yeah, so let's get started. And of course, my name is Isaac Matsanga, and you can also look or check out on me at isaacmats.com. Okay, getting started, you get to your dashboard. Yeah, you get to your dashboard, and I want to guess and assume that by this time you're able to identify what a dashboard is, and you can be able to choose the various items on a dashboard. So in this case, I'm interested in the pages, so I chose the pages and I'm adding a home page. So it is as simple as that. You just put the title and then you click add a page, publish, then you click publish again. And in this case, your page will be formed. So you can add as many pages as you can, and by just clicking on add new page. So I'm adding another page called About Us. Yeah, so that's my page. I click on publish again, publish. So you click twice to have your page published. Yeah, giving it time to save. All right, so our page is published. You can also click to view it, or you add another page. So I click add new page. I want to have another page called our project. Yeah, so I have another page called our projects. Yeah, I'm just checking out the spelling here, project. And after doing that, you click on publish once and then publish twice. So your page called our projects will be published in a short while. As I talked, has been published, and I add another page. I want to have about 6 pages of this particular website. So I create another page which I call resources. All right. So I click publish and I click publish again. So that is how you do it when creating pages. And I click on add new page if I want another page. So I click there. I want to have another page called contact us or contact. Yeah, so these few pages I've created are going to help us interact and get basic ideas of how we can create other pages. So that is how we create web pages in using WordPress. So you can look at the pages created there. You can see we have home, about us, contact, home again, our projects and resources. You see that home is appearing twice. Why? Because we have a custom link first, which was generated as a default home page. But we can be able to sort that out when we are dealing with menus or when we are dealing with appearances or customizations. So here you can see that we have our menus down here, the custom link I was talking about. You can even create a link from this particular website to another website by using custom links. So you can also create menus. You can also remove the custom links and then you save your menu so that you have probably maybe if you are having various pages, you can see that I removed the custom link, but I still have 2 home pages. That means I have to remove or sort them out from the menus. So I go to customize to have one custom link page removed, and then I choose the primary menu and make that my menu. So I go straight away to menus. Yeah, I'm looking for them just down here. I find it down there. So I click on menus. I say create new menu, and then I give it a name. That should be my primary menu. Primary menu. Then I choose primary navigation and I hit next. So here I should be able to customize what menu should be seen. I mean, what page should be seen on my menu. That's the custom link. As you can see, I ignore it. I choose contact, our projects, about us, and now I choose the home page which I created. So having done that, I've eliminated, of course, that one. I didn't want it to be included on my primary navigation menu. So I just come down here and also sort them out. I want home to be the first, so I move it up. I want about us to be the second, so I put it up next to home. Then I want our projects to be the third, and so I move it up. Then I want resources to be a sub menu of our project. So you can see you leave a little space, it becomes a sub menu of the above page. So I publish that, and I should be able to see that I have now on my website. After closing that, yeah, I want to open it fully so that we see the changes we have made. Okay, so we see that we have home, we have about us, we have our projects, and below our projects are resources, which is a sub menu, and we have contacts. Yeah, so those are the 6 pages that we have created. Yeah, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5 pages. Okay. Yeah, so that's what we have done, as in for now. That is how to create pages and also doing menus. So at this stage, you can be able to do some posts. All right. So now, to do posts, of course, you need some like what can I call it? I need some photos. Yeah, I know as a school you'll be able to have some photos or images. So I want to do a post. You know, posts are good. They look good when they have images. And of course, they cannot bore. Just imagine reading a newspaper without an email. Without an image, you'll be boring. So images speak much. And some people just look at images and the whole story is done. So I want to get some images, and this image should be able to give a highlight, or it should be a talking image. A talking image is an image where you look at and the story comes even before reading the sentences or the paragraphs below it. So I'm trying to get some images. And I know in your schools, you'll be able to have such images, just as you can get them by phone or by camera, anything that can be accessed in the school. So having got my images, I also have my content to post. So I go to all posts. This is how you do a post. Yeah. I go to all posts and then I click add post. I just click add post. Now a post, of course, has a title. Yeah, you need to type here the title of your post. Yeah, so I'm not going to type that title because I have it already here in my document. So I simply cut or copy and paste it there. And that is my title: Sample School launches ICT Club to empower future innovators. So below that, I want an image. So I click on images, click on upload, and I choose from, I think I put them on desktop. If not desktop, then they should be under downloads. Yes, so I come and click. I think I put them under downloads. No, should be under in my desktop. So this is one of them. This is Balises. Yeah, that's Balises. It's a smaller image. So having done that, I just want to show you that you can put an image but also delete it. So I go back and then choose, that's the image that I want. I want to save it first, but of course you can get that link direct to your website. But the challenge with getting a link is tomorrow when that particular photo is deleted from that particular website, it means you lose it as well. So I've got it downloaded, and now I come and click on the image that I want. I click open, and I leave it to upload. So it's complete. I can now drag it to stretch it fully to cover my entire web page. Yeah, so that is my image that I've uploaded. Yeah, so I have a title, I have an image, and I need to have a description or paragraph talking about or describing what happened in the school or describing the ICT launch. Yeah, so I come, you just get into paragraph. There are very many more other options down there. Yeah, but paragraph is the first one, so I click on that, and you can be able to type in where the cursor is blinking, but I already have my content here, so I'm just going to do the copying and pasting. Yeah, but if you don't have it in the, if you don't have your story created yet, you can just type it by creating. I mean, you can create your story by typing, but I had already created my story, so I get the information or the text that I had created, paste it there, and I publish. But before publishing, you may need to add some other support images, right? So I can add a gallery, and a gallery, you can choose all the photos that you want to include in your gallery. So I'm selecting all those, and then I click open. So my gallery should have all the images that I have chosen. So I click publish. Yeah, but before you click publish, of course, like I said earlier, you may need to set what we call a featured image. So I click to add a featured image, and you can upload that, or you choose from the media library. So I choose from the media library since I have them already uploaded. I don't need to upload again, because the more I upload, I keep on filling my space, my storage space, so it keeps on reducing. So I've chosen that one from media, and I go straight away. You can also find categories, and with these categories, you keep on adding. Now there's only one called uncategorized. So I can put another category called ICT, or sorry, I can call it simply club launch, and then I add. So this particular post will fall under that category. I click publish, and as I talk, my post is published. Yeah, so you can click there to view the post. You can see it's there. 9th December 2024, our club was launched. So I had to let the world know that the club was launched. So that is how you can do a post. You can see, yeah, so those are the images in my gallery. That is it, as simple as that. And of course, you may really want to see this from a fresh page which is not logged in. That's how the page will look like on the other page, yeah, which is not logged in. So this is Chrome. So far Chrome is not in the sideboard. You can check on the header. So whatever you do when you're customizing has an effect on the entire website. So here you see that the header is not fixed. Yeah, the header is not fixed. So I can go back to maybe add another post before I change the heading to stick header. I mean the header to stick header. So probably I want to add another post. I want to have two posts, but of course I know now in your school you'll be having various posts. So this is ICT Club President speech. I want to just have a simple one like that. But of course now in school, assembly alone is news. So you'll be able to have a number of posts which will make your website a go area. Of course, you have maybe you can have posts, you can have resources, but you can also look at some other content, and then you update your website. You know, this particular posts increase the traffic on your website. Like when people want to get some resourceful information, they always look at. They always consider your website. So I choose an image as usual. I select it just after my my heading. So that is the president, our ICT club president. Never mind, I'm using cartoon format because this is a sample school. But in your school, you have the real images of these people. So below the image, I have to put the description or what the speech was. Yeah, so I just type in something here. The outgoing ICT president never mind, my keyboard is stuck a bit, but while typing. Yeah, the outgoing ICT president gave a speech as below, leaving everyone or leaving each and everyone. I can say just leaving everyone with the interest. Yeah, never mind, I'll get back and correct. With the interest in joining the ICT club. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is to add content to back up my image and my title. Yeah, so remember my title was about the ICT president or the ICT club president or club president giving a farewell speech, and now the image shows the president. Probably it would have been him holding a microphone, and now I'm giving the background of how it all happened. So after doing that, I just click on publish, and my story or my post will be published and will be viewed by anyone. See, ICT Club President gives a farewell speech, and that's the image. And you realize that I didn't put the featured image. So in case you realize you've left out something, you can still go back to the posts and edit them. That's the good thing with WordPress. Yes, so you can either go and then maybe change the title or something, or you go to, maybe you left out the category, you click, you check the category and you update. You can also go to the featured image, that is quick edit and edit. So you've seen what quick edit does. Let's also go to edit part. So edit, you can also be able to change and also add the featured image. Yeah, so under post you can be able to see that there is featured image, so I have to put a featured image for the president, and then after doing that I just click on save, and my post will be saved with the current edits. Yeah, so that is how easy it is to make a post in WordPress. You can see how beautiful my website is looking. The more the information or the more the posts, the more traffic it attracts. And of course, it also continue looking beautiful. But as I promised to change the sticker header, you can see that when I move this, when I move upwards, the header also disappears and then it comes back. So I get back to appearance and then go to customize. I want to have my header fixed. Yeah, so I go to customize and I look for header. So when it opens, I have to go for header. Yeah. So I move down to header and I go to sticky header. All right, so I want it to be, not movable. So I publish. So at this moment, when I get to my website and refresh it, I should be able to have a stiff or an immovable header. Unlike before, whereby it would disappear and appear with the move or scrolling of the entire site. So you can see, and I scroll up, I still have my header fixed. So that is also solved. And we have created pages. So in our next video, we shall be able to have content added to different pages. As you can see, the home page is not having anything, but now that home page we can link it to have to receive the blogs, or to be the host. Which word can I use there? To be the landing page for the posts, and we should also be able to add content to other pages like about us, our projects, contact us, and all that. Yeah, so that is basically what you can do with WordPress. So in this session, I hope you have been able to master how you create pages, how you can create a menu, and how you can do the posts. Yeah, so that is how you do it. Let's meet again in our next video, whereby we shall be looking at adding content to different pages. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have been Isaac Mats behind the mic. Let me meet again in another session, and that will be adding content to be our third session on WordPress. Until then, bye-bye.